Did not record again today, but for some reason my son wants to eat every hour to hour and a half, so I'm not even having time to like get stuff done around the house. So yeah, I went through and I actually found a video I was working on like months ago, so I think I'm just gonna put that one here into this video. But before I start, I did want to show you I did do something Christmas-y. I made the stocking. So now Tundra has a stocking and Jordan has a stocking. So we all have stockings with their names on it now. But now to the IKEA furniture video. And I had to do a lot of editing because have you ever put IKEA furniture together? Your language becomes so colorful while you're trying to put it together. So enjoy that video. So I have like an hour to kill until my hair appointment. So I think I'm gonna try to fix this. It might take more than an hour. But I have the hopefully most perfect thing to go in there, but I'm not really sure because I did the measuring. I didn't let Jordan do it. So there's a high chance that when I build this, it's not gonna fit. So we'll have to see if it will fit or not. Did I ever tell you I hate IKEA furniture? I'm going to show you how far I got, and then I'm going to show you the mistake I made, and then I have to undo everything and go back to what it was before. Like literally, I've been working on this for 45 minutes, and now I have to start all the way back over because I was stupid. And you see these holes? Let me see if I can, right here. Oh no, you don't see holes, do you? You only see one hole. That's because the holes are right there. So do you know what that means? That means I have to flip this piece. Now it would be really easy if there was nothing, I don't know, attached to this piece. This is so stupid. I'm so angry. IKEA. This is the side I need. Oh, and it gets better. Hold on. This is what I freaking did to these. I don't know if you can tell, but they're like, there you go. Now you can tell. Yeah. IKEA. Well, now I'm back to square one. And I got like 10 minutes until I leave, so at least I'm getting a haircut. That will make me happy. Because IKEA right now does not make me very happy. Alright, well, now I have to run, but when I get back from getting my haircut, I'm going to finish it. And look how far I've gotten this time. Ta-da! I just have to screw these in and put the top on. And then I'm done. And then I can go in the closet. And a better fit. Or I'm pushing it down these stairs. Here I got my haircut finally. Oh, it's almost back to what it should be. But, so look what I did. It's like coming together. Now here's like the weird thing that I don't understand. So let me sit down to like the instructions. I got this thing. It goes on the back. This is pretty small. And it goes this way. And if you look at this picture, picture, it only protects 2 of them? Like, why? Why only 2? I do not understand. So, like, only the things that are in there won't fall behind, but everything else, that can fall. I almost don't even know if I'm gonna put it on. Like, what's the point? I mean, I have to, like, nail it to the back, and then I got feet things to put on, and then it's done. And we're skipping this step because it's going in a closet, so I'm not mounting it to the wall. So I think I'm gonna just say goodbye to that. And look, I think I have a problem. I got 2 extra, and they don't go anywhere else. So I guess I should check. I got nails in all these. I don't know, maybe there's some on the bottom? Oh, look at Kitty. Hello, baby. I got nails and all these ones. Maybe on the feet? I don't know. Why does this happen? Why am I done? And now, should I even check it? Should I lift it? Think I should just lean it forward? I'm not really sure. What do you think, Kitty? Should we check? Oh God. Oh boy. At least it's really light. Alright, let's look underneath. I don't know if I have nails in this one. Oh, no. Alright, we're almost done. Kitty, get back. Get back before I squish you. Oh my goodness. So, I think I can gently put this in. Just shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Why did not? Oh my goodness. Why does it wobble? What did I do? Almost there. This is why it was wobbling. I got some serious baby brain. I can do this. Ta-da! It fits. Just like I knew it would.
I don't see any cats yet.
Little man.
It's a lie. They call it Cat Island Deliverance here, but actually there aren't any.
Tashirojima, or Cat Island, is located in the Pacific Ocean off the coast of Ishinomaki City in Miyagi Prefecture. Tashirojima is inhabited by more cats than humans, which is where it gets its nickname of Cat Island. There are less than 100 people living on the island, but there are several hundred cats. Now, in order to get to Tashirojima, you need to take a 1-hour long